I'm Cheri with my girlfriend's quilt shop, and today we're gonna look at the cover stitch because I know you all have a t-shirt, and on your t-shirt there is a cover stitch. And if you've ever accidentally grabbed that thread and just gone zip, your shirt's just a total loss. But with your serger, you're gonna be able to do a cover stitch and fix that. Let's take a look at how our machine is set up. We have our needles in the C2 and the C1 position. Our length is set between a 2 and a 4. Our chain needle tension is set between a 4 and a 6. And our chain looper tension is set between a 1 and a 2. We have ours at a 1. Our upper looper selector is down, and our blade right here is locked. The last thing we have to do before we start serging is we have to install our serger sewing table. And to do that, we're just going to pop it into these right here and lift it up. Make sure that we've selected serging and are ready to go. Now we've got this all set up, and we are just going to fold this material over a little bit to resemble kind of the hem of your shirt. And so this would be on the back side. So we're going to put that down this way, and we're going to kind of fill and line that up with our needles. So the edge of this is right here, and I'm just going to kind of try and keep it even with that needle right there. I'm going to lift that up because I want my first stitches to go into fabric whenever I'm using a chain or a cover stitch. So I've got that set, and we're just going to start slowly and go. All right, we're going to look at this cover stitch. This is the narrow cover stitch, and we put our threads in so that you could see what was going on. So our C2 needle is this green thread right here, and our C3 needle is the red thread. You can see those. It's so nice that they just sew right next to each other perfectly. And when we turn it over, you can see right here that the looper is doing its job to hold that material down. And just like that, you've got your shirt fixed, and it is just perfect. So don't throw those t-shirts away, go and fix them.